अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्कॉरी देसी असमत हियर। कैसे हो आप लोग? उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब ठीक और खैरियत से होंगे। Hi folks, I am going to show you today how to make Paneer Tikka. Paneer Tikka on skewers. Usually these are made on metal skewers and cooked in the tandoor, but I will be grilling these. Paneer is really a form of cheese, of course. First of all, we're going to make the marinade paste. So for this, we'll add some yogurt, some garlic ginger paste goes in. This is a garlic ginger paste. Again, according to your taste, you can vary the quantities if you want. This is kasuri methi, dried methi. Kasuri methi को हम थोड़ा सा ऐसे करेंगे. So I'll just kind of crush this up. Just mustard oil, three of these small spoons of mustard oil, turmeric, Kashmiri chilli, Kashmiri mirch. So this will give a nice red color to our tikkas. This is toasted gram flour. And I may have to add more. This gives a thickness to the marinade. I'll kind of adjust it once I've made the paste. I'm going to add some chili flakes into here as well. Give it a nice kick. This is carom seeds. Again, this needs to be crushed in your finger just to bring out the flavors. So I will just crush these with my fingers. Some salt, and now I'm just going to mix this up to make the paste, the marinade for our Paneer Tikkas. Now at this stage, if you want, you can taste the marinade, which I'll do just now, just to test the flavours. Make sure that the salt is okay, the chilli is okay. Very nice. You can taste the mustard oil coming through, and I can taste the subtle hints of the other flavours. I'm going to add just a little touch more red chilli, these chili flakes. Again, this is according to your taste. Now once you have this, we're now going to add the paneer. Now remember, paneer is quite fragile, so we are going to mix this in very gently. So the paneer, the peppers, and the onions. I've used white onions here. I like the flavour of onions. If you would like a subtle flavour of onion, then you can use the red onion, which is slightly sweeter and gives a nice subtle flavor. ये याद रखना कि इसको हल्के हाथों से मिक्स करना है. हल्के हाथों से अगर मिक्स नहीं करेंगे, आपका पनीर जो है वो टूट सकता है. इस बात का ज़रूर ख्याल रखना. ये मत कहना बाद में कि असमत ने बताया नहीं था, हमारा पनीर टूट गया. So remember, gentle, delicate hands to give this a mix, otherwise your paneer will break. And for this, it's best to use your hands, of course. Don't use you're trying to get the coating on all the little items that you're working with here. You're trying to get the coating on all of the peppers and onions and cheese. And then once this is nicely coated, you can then leave this for a short while to marinate, allow the flavors to infuse into the cheese and coat themselves. It'll dry up a little bit, and once it's kind of dried up, you can then start to skewer this onto your barbecue sticks. So I have now gently coated these pieces, and that's them now marinated. Next stage is going to be the cooking stage. Paneer tikka जिसे हमने marination दी थी वो तैयार है. उसको मैंने लकड़ की सीखों पे चढ़ा दिया है और अब हम इसको पकाएंगे. So folks, as you can see, the paneer tikka is ready to be grilled, and what nicer place to grill this paneer tikka than Dundee. Dundee is a beautiful city in Scotland, and I have come here to Broughty Ferry Beach. Take a look. Now let us see how we're going to grill this paneer tikka. इसके ऊपर हम पनीर टिक्के को बनाएंगे. तो आओ देखते हैं इस चीज़ के ऊपर हम पनीर टिक्का कैसे बनाते हैं. So let's see what we are going to cook our paneer tikka on. Gas. These are the controls, and now I'm going to open the cooking platform. Come in and see what we have here. Paneer tikka will be grilled. This is a gas stove. I'm using this gas stove. I will just switch it on. I will switch both sides on. That's both the gas grills now on, and if you come in closer you'll see the flame, the blue flame. And now all we're going to do is grill these on the cooking grill. और आहिस्ता आहिस्ता इसके ऊपर हमने घी लगाते जाना है। Listen to that sizzle, and it smells amazing, fantastico. तो हमारा पनीर टिक्का जो है तैयार हो गया है। आओ देखते हैं कैसे लगता है। Come and have a look to see how the paneer tikka is doing. It's just about ready. इसके ऊपर फ्रेश कोरिएंडर को डालें और एंजॉय करें। This was Paneer Tikka cooked in Dundee, Broughty Ferry Beach. I will see you again, folks. Take care, be happy. Allah Hafiz. कहाँ से निकालूं? Sizzling off, very soft and succulent, crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Flavors and spices are infused in perfectly.